Human female reproductive system consists of two ovaries, uterus and external genitalia. So now let's study them with help of a diagram. So there are two ovaries, left ovary and right ovary, located in the lower abdominal cavity of female. In the ovary, process of oogenesis takes place, which I already have discussed in my lecture. During the process of oogenesis, follicle cells helps to mature an egg. When egg is mature, the ovulation takes place and egg is released from the ovary. After ovulation, there is a tube which is known as uterine tube or oviduct, the last part of which contain fimbriae, flagella-like structures. They sweep the egg, catch the egg and transport it into the uterine tube with the help of a small opening present between the fimbriae. Fimbriae encircle the last part of the ovary. As soon as the egg reaches in the fallopian tube or uterine tube, it starts its journey towards uterus. This journey is aided by small cilia present in the inner wall of uterine tube. Unlike sperms, which can move with the help of their flagellum, eggs cannot move their own. So cilia beats continuously and helps egg to transport from one part to another part. It takes around 4 to 7 days to reach in the wall of the uterus. At this point, egg also waits for sperm to fertilize. Now let's discuss some other parts of the reproductive system. The main reproductive part of the female reproductive system is the uterus. This is the red part, as you can see in the diagram, is the uterus. Uterus is made up of three walls. The outermost layer or wall of the uterus is known as perimetrium. Perimetrium is muscular, made up of connective tissue and also protects the inner wall of uterus. It also has some flaps of tissue which are attached to the abdominal cavity, which help to support the body of the uterus. The second layer of the uterus is endometrium, which is the innermost layer of the uterus, which is glandular in secretion and also helps to form placenta between the embryo and the uterus wall. The third wall of the uterus is myometrium, which is the centermost part of the uterus, which is muscular and also contains smooth muscles. These muscles are very elastic in nature. So in this way, these three layers make up the body of the uterus. The uterus opens, the last part of the uterus is known as cervix, which include cervical canal. Uterus opens into a reproductive tract known as vagina. Vagina is used as birth canal and also receive penis during process of copulation. So this is the whole structure of the reproductive system of the female. It also contains external genitalia, which composed of clitoris, which are known as vulva. Vulva contain clitoris, labia majora, labia minora, which protects the reproductive organs of the female body. Now, first of all, there are ovaries. Ovaries are the sites where egg production takes place, and ovary wall also secretes some hormones like estrogen. Oviduct is a duct which conduct or transport egg towards uterus, and it also a site for fertilization of egg with the help of sperm. Uterus houses developing fetus through placenta formation. Cervix, this is the cervix. Cervix is the opening towards uterus from vagina, and vagina is a birth canal through which birth takes place, and it are also reproductive tract. During copulation, it receives penis from male.